So for a French press, you want the coffee to be coarse, kind of like table salt. If you're using the Baratza Encore, they recommend a grind size of 28. Pop this out. So first we're just gonna heat up the carafe. Okay. So we're gonna do 4 tablespoons. And really, I always like to say that there's just no right or wrong way to enjoy your coffee. You know, like this is just like a recommended brew ratio of 4 tablespoons to 16 ounces. But if you like your coffee stronger or lighter, you could adjust it however you like. In the water, we boiled it to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. First, we're gonna bloom the grinds just by adding a little bit of water, just enough to immerse it all. And you wanna let it bloom for 30 seconds. I'm just gonna rotate this so I can kind of get all the sides. Okay. I like to give it a little stir. Okay. And then you let it brew for 4 minutes. Okay. So it's 4 minutes is up, so we're just gonna pop this down. Yes. No bias, but love my coffee. It's very smooth. I find it to be really smooth and really bold and nutty without that high acidic tart vibe.